Hey folks, welcome to another video. So in this video I will show you how to install Firefox on Windows operating system. So first go to Firefox website. So you can see this website, go to this one and you can see download button here. So click download Firefox and it will start downloading it. So now it downloaded, and if I double click it and open it and click yes on the confirmation box, and it will start installing the Firefox on your computer. So as you can see, after installing it will auto open the Firefox. If it doesn't, make sure to go to start and search for Firefox, and you will see this Firefox app and open it if you want to go to the Firefox. And now you have Firefox on your machine. So if you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. So see you in the next video.